Introducing the LICQual Level 1 Award in Rigger. This introductory course is designed for those looking to start their journey in the exciting field of rigging. The Level 1 Award is perfect for individuals who are new to rigging and want to gain essential knowledge and skills that are critical for safe and effective rigging operations. Completing this qualification is a significant first step toward building a rewarding career in rigging and related fields. Mandatory units of this qualification are: Introduction to rigging, rigging equipment and tools, rigging safety, rigging techniques, communication and teamwork. This course is ideal for new entrants to the rigging industry, construction workers, laborers, trainees and apprentices, students. What is the duration of this course? The LICQual Level 1 Award in Rigger typically has a duration of about 1 to 2 days. All LICQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest LICQual approved center. Visit our website at www.liqual.co.uk.